Okay, so we're going to make a quick video on your cameras. I happen to be using the camera that the libraries have for student checkout. It's the Canon T2i, but it's going to be very similar based upon the particular brand you use. I do want to use an entry-level camera, which is why I'm using this, and this happens to be one I own that the library also owns. So you're going to go ahead and hit the menu button to call up your menu, and there we go. And you're going to notice that depending on how, again, which brand of camera you have and how it's laid out, you're going to have a bunch of different options. So I'm going to navigate to the one where I can select the quality of the image that I'm shooting, and that's this one on a Canon. It says quality. I'm going to go ahead and click enter to enter that, and try and refocus this a little bit. See if I can take that down a little bit so it's easier to see. You'll see that there's some options, and currently the option that's selected is the RAW plus a high resolution JPEG. If I want to do RAW only, I could set it for RAW. If I want to set it for the JPEGs only, I could pick one of the JPEG quality options that you see here. You can see the size, that this is the highest size, the 5184 by 3456 pixels. For the first several assignments, a lot of people will select probably the RAW plus a high resolution JPEG or just the RAW. If you select just the RAW, you'll fit clearly more images on your card, but you're going to have to convert them, some of them, to JPEG to upload them to FLICKr, because FLICKr needs to have JPEG images. It's not really a very difficult task, but what many students will do, at least for the first several weeks of class, is shoot in a RAW plus JPEG mode, RAW plus high-res JPEG mode. And that's fine. What you're going to wind up having if you do that then is one copy of a particular item that you're shooting that's going to be in the RAW mode. So for a Canon, it'll be a CR2, Nikon, it'll be NEF, Sony, it'll be ARW, so on and so forth. And then you're also going to have a JPEG version of it. That's what most people use. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, set that up, and we are now set to capture for JPEG and RAW.